Hi everyone, welcome back to hema'scodespace. In today's video, I'm addressing some of the questions you left in the comments of my previous video about the Infosys Springboard Pragati program. So I'll be walking you through how to log into Infosys Springboard, how to fill the survey form, and how to complete a course on the platform so that you can be eligible for this program. As they mentioned, at least one course is mandatory to be eligible for that particular program. So let us discuss how to log in and fill survey form and complete at least one course. To get started with Infosys Springboard, go to Google and just type as Infosys Springboard as shown in the video. You will be redirecting to that page. Just go and click the first link. And if you are using for the first time, make sure you verify your email and secure your password. You need to log in using the registered mail ID as shown in there. Click here to register. If you click that, you will be receiving the survey form as you shown in the video. It is important to complete this as it helps you to register, and also you can see that this survey form will be active until only October 18, 2024. So when you click on start survey, you will be redirecting as accept and start. Please click that accept and start so that you will be going to the survey form. So the survey form will be look like this. They will be asking all the certain questions, so make sure you will be keeping them all the correctly and ensure that all the answers are correct so that it will be helpful to you. If you want me to redirect that form, the first one they asked us about your full name. Please ensure you keep your full name correctly so that it will be printed on your certificate last. And you need to give your registered mail ID, and you should be selecting your gender and does are you above 18 or not. And also that one was, would you like to be continue in this cohort. And next that you need to give your self introduction for about 300 words, and also you should be given your status as a student or graduate or any other, and also you should be given your educational qualification also, and also they are mentioning that it is required. And also if you are a student, then you should provide that a full name and city of your college. It is mandatory if you are a student, not for professionals. And if you are a student, also you need to mention about it is either it is government or private sector. And also if you are a student, please fill this form very particularly about them, the process they are asking. And also they are asking about know about your program, how did you know about that program. And also please select this city very carefully. This may be helpful for your in-person session so that they'll be arranged to you. So make sure you are giving it all correctly. Please ensure at least once again while submitting. There will be a submit form. Just click on that submit button, it will be submitted. So if you want to dive into how to complete a course, you just go to the search bar and you can click like courses. They'll be giving of the courses, list of courses that are available in the Infosys Springboard. You just scroll down and see what are all the courses are available in Infosys Springboard. Select any one of your course that are interested to you and select, or if you want to select any particular course, then go just for example I have been typing there, I just want the Python course. So if you want you just particular name and you will be redirected to that particular course. So when you logged into that course, you need to complete all the quizzes or assignment, and this will ensure that your course progress is saved and you get a certificate at the end. So please complete that at least one course. If you have any doubts or need help with some specific topic, comment below. I'll do my best to assist you. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. All the best.